All right, cozy friends, it is mid-afternoon. Let's make us an Erewhon smoothie. Let's go.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
All right, cozy friends, instructions for one smoothie. We are to thaw our coconut cream, soak sealed bag of coconut cream in cold water for 10 minutes. All right, we've already done that. It says aerate and thicken, cut off one top corner of the bag to allow the air in so the coconut cream can thicken. Okay, let's go do that. All right, corner is cut. Says leave the bag open at room temperature and set aside. We did that. Begin phase 2 in the meantime. So phase 2 wants us to add 8 ounces of the Malk organic almond milk. All right, we measured out 8 ounces of the Malk milk. And remember, when you open this, you have to refrigerate it now. Next is the 2 packs of Erewhon organic frozen fruit blend. Next is a half a bottle of Erewhon signature mix. Okay, a half a bottle of the signature mix. And now we blend for 15 seconds or until completely smooth. Okay, we are done blending. So next it says, retrieve your coconut cream. The coconut cream set aside during phase 1 should be thickened and ready for use. So next it says to apply it to the cup. So it says squeeze a dime-sized amount of coconut cream above the E and the N of the logo on each side of the cup. Uh-oh. All right. Let's see if I can work at Erewhon. Above the N, above the E. It's already trying to scoot down. Above the N, above the E. Uh-oh, we lost one. Above the E, okay. All right, we did that. To create the streaks, it wants us to tap the base of the cup 2 to 3 times on a hard surface, allowing the coconut cream to form vertical streaks down sides of cup. Okay. I don't think I'll be getting hired here, but okay. All right, next is add strawberry glaze. Pour up to a half a bottle of Erewhon strawberry glaze into base of cup. So this is the strawberry glaze. Shake it up a little bit. Pour it into the base of the cup. It's half a bottle. Okay. All right. Then next it says, pour your smoothie, pour blended content slowly to the top until cup is full. Okay. Slowly to the top. Okay. And it says, enjoy. Add your lid, straw, and enjoy your very own Erewhon Smoothie Glaze Skin Smoothie. Okay. This is what it looks like. I think my application will get lost in the pile, but I think I did a pretty good job. It's definitely edible. Thanks for watching. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching, Cozy Friends.